Hi friends, welcome to Europedia, and this my video is related to the information which we all have now, and that is Tesla is coming to India. You know, Tesla is a very big brand, globally reputed brand in the field of electric vehicles, and Tesla is earlier manufacturing hub. China was the manufacturing hub of this Tesla, but now because of couple of reasons, now Tesla is looking for opportunities in India, and yes, India will also get opportunities at the same time, because it is mutual reciprocation. Like, you get business in our country and we get lot of opportunities in the form of jobs and all. Now presently the recession is going on in our country and globally, and as I told you many times, when there is a recession, it is the best time to go for higher education. जब तक 2 साल ये रिसेशन रहेगा, और मेरे को लगता है इस साल प्लेसमेंट में रिफ्लेक्ट हो रहा है, अगले साल भी रिफ्लेक्ट होगा, एंड नेक्स्ट 2 साल के बाद जब आप जो अभी स्टूडेंट्स मास्टर्स में जाएंगे, जब तक वो बाहर निकलेंगे उनके पास अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ होंगी. सो अगर आप इलेक्ट्रिक व्हीकल की फील्ड में करियर चाहते हैं तो कौन से कोर्सेज आपको ज्वाइन करने चाहिए इंडिया में. और एक और अच्छा आपको मैं अगर एडवाइस करूं कि आप इलेक्ट्रिक व्हीकल से रिलेटेड जो कोर्सेज हो सकते हैं, अगर आपको इंडिया में ना मिलें, think of countries like Germany, think of countries like US, where if you get masters or PhD, especially because this is highly R&D oriented company. Tesla जो है वो एक research and development oriented company, इनका R&D base is very developed, and if you get opportunity to work in R&D base of Tesla instead of manufacturing or marketing or maintenance, then your career will be really good. तो डायरेक्ट पीएचडी अपॉर्चुनिटीज अगर आपको ई व्हीकल से रिलेटेड फील्ड में मिलेगा तो दैट इज गोइंग टू बी इवन बेटर. अब इंडिया का आज मेरा वीडियो, इंडिया बिकॉज एडमिशंस इज गोइंग ऑन नाउअडेज, एंड बहुत सी आईआईटीज़ के लास्ट डेट्स 15 अप्रैल वगैरह के आसपास, जैसे आज है, फिर 17 अप्रैल को है. तो आज का जो मेरा वीडियो है दैट इज रिलेटेड टू इंडियन यूनिवर्सिटीज़ के कौन कौन से कोर्सेज आप ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं if you want to pursue career in electric vehicle later on. And next my video will be related to global universities, क्या क्या अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ हैं, और आप में से जो ग्रेजुएट्स अच्छे कॉलेजेस के हैं या जिनका एकेडमिक बैकग्राउंड अच्छा है, टियर 2 टियर 3 कॉलेजेस के स्टूडेंट्स और डायरेक्ट पीएचडी के लिए जाना चाहते हैं, दे कैन ऑल्सो अप्रोच द मेंटर्स ऑफ यूरोपीडिया ग्लोबल, सो दैट दे टेल यू द अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ हाउ यू कैन लैंड अप इन दोज कोर्सेज. नाउ अदर देन कोर ब्रांचेस, जैसे अगर टेस्ला इंडिया आएगा तो क्या इलेक्ट्रिक व्हीकल वाले बच्चों को ही जॉब मिलेगा? आंसर इज नो. यू विल गेट द जॉब इन द मैन्युफैक्चरिंग बेस. सो अगर आपने डिजाइनिंग में, मैन्युफैक्चरिंग में, थर्मल साइंस में अगर आपने मास्टर्स किया है, तब भी आपको इक्वल अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलेगी. And similarly, if you are doing your PhD in that particular field which is related to electric vehicle, then you will get the opportunity. As I told कि ये जो आपका ये टेस्ला जैसी कंपनीज हैं, ये R&D बेस इनका बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग होता है, and they give lot of opportunities to you in their R&D activities. So largely these companies do not have their R&D base in India, that is in US. So in case you are interested for R&D, then you should get some kind of degree from US, preferably PhD program. So if your credentials in graduations are good, go direct PhD to US universities, and from there you can enter into these companies. Anyhow, let me tell you the courses which are there for India. So as I told you, Tesla has already announced that it is going to come and make a big investment in India in April. Elon Musk is going to visit India, and he is going to tell the strategy or the detailed plans how he is going to invest in our country. Now there are certain courses which are directly related to e-vehicles or electric vehicles, like MS research in e-mobility. So e-vehicles, e-mobility, these are the courses. Like this particular course by IIT Guwahati, e-mobility is a very wonderful course, and this course is Professor Praveen Tyagi. He himself is electrical engineer, and he has done his masters in energy science from IIT Delhi, and from there he has gone to Germany, and Germany mein he has done his PhD. After PhD he did job in the industries there and academics also, and then he came back and joined in IIT Guwahati, and he is basically handling this e-mobility wing. So that means एनर्जी साइंस डिपार्टमेंट, कन्वेंशनल एनर्जी साइंस डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ आईआईटीज, हर आईआईटी के अंदर एनर्जी साइंस डिपार्टमेंट, सस्टेनेबल एनर्जी डिपार्टमेंट्स, ऐसे डिपार्टमेंट्स हैं, एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप डिपार्टमेंट। तो दीज डिपार्टमेंट्स विल ऑल्सो गिव यू अपॉर्चुनिटी टू परस्यू करियर इन इलेक्ट्रिक व्हीकल। तो ये जैसे अगर आप देखोगे आपका ई मोबिलिटी डिपार्टमेंट आईआईटी गुवाहाटी का, उसमें आपको दिखेगा ईवी टेक्नोलॉजी के ऊपर लोग काम कर रहे हैं, and they are telling also what kind of work they are doing. Similarly entrepreneurship आपका आईआईटी मद्रास, आईआईटी हैदराबाद में भी है, और entrepreneurship एक ऐसा डिपार्टमेंट है in which you get the opportunity to meet with the entrepreneurs who are into the new domains like e-mobility, e-vehicles, and also you can do courses from these particular departments. So if your gate score is not that high and you are not getting into other departments, then entrepreneurship mein you can enter, and students have very less idea that entrepreneurship may also you can go for placements and you get a lot of opportunities in this particular department. Similarly then there is a department of entrepreneurship and management in IIT Hyderabad also, and then you get in department of IIT Kanpur there is a sustainable energy department. Not only in IIT Kanpur, energy science department, sustainable energy department, they are in almost all IITs. Now why I am saying that sustainable energy department can lead to the career in e-vehicle. If you go to IIT Kanpur, you will find in sustainable energy department they have mentioned about electric vehicles. That means you are going to learn so many things about electric vehicle, and yes, you can pursue your career from sustainable energy department also in that. Similarly, IIT Indore has Center for Electric Vehicle and Intelligent Transport System. With the name of this, they already have it. So this is the course. And Robotics and Mobility System, IIT Jodhpur, these are the departments. Similarly, IIT Bhubaneswar, they have Robotics and Artificial Intelligence department, where they very clearly mention what are the things you are going to learn. So if you go to the department and read in detail, you will find that yes, you will get opportunity to work into the electric vehicle domain and R&D part of that. Similarly, Energy Science and Engineering of IIT Kharagpur, they also very clearly mention electric and hybrid systems and other similar kind of things which you are going to learn, and that will be helpful for you in your e-vehicle domain. So Department of Energy and Science and Engineering, IIT Bombay, they also very clearly mention what you are going to learn, and that will make you capable to join electric vehicle market. Similarly, mechatronics departments are also there. So when we talk about e-vehicle, mechatronics becomes very relevant field for us. So अगर आपने mechatronics से IIT पटना या IITs बाकी IITs हैं वहाँ से अगर आपने मास्टर्स किया है, then also you can pursue your career in the field of electric vehicle. Similarly, IIT Bhilai में also you have mechatronics in couple of departments. So you can pursue career in that. Department of Climate Change. So if you go to the Department of Climate Change, you will find that yes, these guys are also talking about use of renewable energy technology, sustainable development, and these kind of things which eventually will be utilized in the life cycle analysis of electric vehicle and design for sustainability. Because these all companies like Tesla and all, they give very high weightage to the sustainability and efficient use of energy. So these departments also play very crucial role in that. So other than your conventional engineering departments, suppose you are electrical engineer, if you do masters or PhD in electrical engineering, yes, you can pursue career in electric vehicle. You are a mechanical engineer, if you do in design or thermal your masters, you can pursue career. Like in IIT Hyderabad, there is a aerospace and mechanical department club together. You can, if you masters from there, you can do that. But other than that, there is a electric vehicle department, sustainability department, energy science department, e-mobility department. These are couple of departments. If you do your masters or PhD from these departments, yes, that makes you ready for pursuing career in e-vehicles. So as I told you, these are some courses in Indian premium institutes. If you pursue from these courses your masters, you are ready for electric vehicle market after 2 years till Tesla establishes its manufacturing base in India. Even from material science and all, if you do your masters in material science etc., you are ready for these kind of jobs because obviously in any industry material scientists are required, industrial engineers are required, manufacturing engineers are required, design engineers are required, sustainable engineers, sustainability management related engineers are required. So all these things are related. These are if you are planning from India, Similarly, I'll come out with the wonderful opportunities if you are interested for abroad. And friends, as I've told you many times, that if you are having good academic credential at graduation level, your BTech level, and if you're ready to get really good scholarship and pursue your PhD and get into really good companies in US, Tesla is from US, so think of, if you do PhD from US, that will be the wonderful if you want to get into Tesla. So you joining Tesla in India from IIT Kanpur and you joining Tesla in US is entirely different. So when you are in US, you get opportunity to work in their R&D wing, along with the employees of Tesla who are in US. India may there will be manufacturing base, and other base may not be R&D base. So think of it and take a right decision for you. All the very best. Thank you.